Hello.
Hello.
Okay, today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. What is your name?
Peter.
Okay, Peter, how are you today? How are you today? I'm?
Fine. Ever.
You're good. How old are you? I'm?
I'm fine.
5. Where are you from?
I'm from Việt Nam.
What color do you like? What color do you like?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, Peter, what food do you like? Look at the screen. What food do you like?
I
Egg. Now, what fruit do you like?
orange.
Orange. And what sport do you like?
I swimming.
Swimming. Okay. Now, Peter, what's this?
Sunny.
This one?
Sea.
Okay.
Về.
Very good.
Umbrella.
Very good.
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Grandma.
Mm-hmm.
Ông
Mm-hmm.
Sister.
Okay.
Baby.
Baby. Now, Peter, you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15.
Okay. How about this fruit?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Okay. Very good, Peter. Good job.